Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Team Cloud Analogy is back with another exciting news. This time, Salesforce has released a new CRM solution named Salesforce Easy to cater the user needs more promptly. So, to see what the new platform has to offer, let's quickly jump into the video. First, let us introduce to you a bit about Salesforce Easy. As we just said, a leading cloud-based software company, Salesforce, has announced a simplified version of the Salesforce Essentials. They named it Salesforce Easy. The new platform is expected to offer a streamlined experience, improve efficiency, and trim costs amid financial uncertainty for all sizes of businesses using the new solutions. Announcing the news in a blog post, Salesforce stated that this will be an easier, faster way to build an amazing digital experiences, manage customer relationships, and gain a complete view of each customers. Now, have a look at the offerings of the Salesforce Easy. There will be a free trial session for 30 days. After that, the user will be charged €25 per month for an annual contract. The new CRM solution complies with the easy onboarding. According to the Salesforce, it needs only 3 clicks to start. Apart from that, the solution has inbuilt automation to guide the users through the configuration process, which includes setting up integrations with Google, Slack, and Microsoft 365 IDs to make sign-in quicker than ever. The defining feature will be helping to sample and purchase different Salesforce elements flexibly. Also, the self-service purchasing options will enable customers to try, buy, and expand on Salesforce at their own pace. Furthermore, using emails, users can make email marketing campaigns that ensures that timely and relevant communications with customers. This outreach automation allows users to spend more time offering a personalized relationship with customers instead of entering data. These processes help users close deals quicker and deliver exceptional customer assistance. The default dashboard equipped with solutions give employees close visibility around sales, marketing, and service performance. Additionally, Salesforce Easy plans to build a launchpad for organization on the Salesforce platform. Over the forthcoming time and probably at Dreamforce, Salesforce will disclose more features and add-ons for the latest applications. With this, it is time to say bye for today. We will keep you updated with more such informative news and updates. By then, do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest and exciting news every time there's something new coming to the Salesforce world. Thanks for watching.